Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove people from image in Adobe Photoshop 2025. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our image. Now you see multiple people on image. So we are going to remove people, and then on left side you see multiple option and then select remove tool. So click on it and then you see remove tool. Now select it. Then on top you see option find restriction and then you see one click removal and editable people. So click on people. So this option select all people in image. Now click on it. Now you see finding people and then you see all person or people selected on this image. Now you see, and then you see option mode generative AI off, AI on or auto. So you can select option according to requirement. So we select generated AI off. If you want you can select AI on, so it's up to you. Now you see all person or people selected in image. Then click on tick icon or press enter. So we are going to press enter and then you see removing area. When we click on press enter, now you see all people removed from image. Now you see this red object. Now select and then you see object is removed also. So in this way you can remove people or person from image in Adobe Photoshop by using remove tool option. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.